Sorry, only rich people can watch this video. Hey guys, Dog here, back at it again with another how to eat video, and this time, it's the most anticipated sequel since Avengers Endgame. Today, I'm going to teach you how to eat a Kit Kat 2. So because of the drama surrounding this video, we're going to need to up the ante. So for this how to eat Kit Kat, we're going to need a different kind of Kit Kat. We're bringing out the king size in this one. I'm just saying, we gotta do it king size. It's the sequel, bigger, better, it's how it's done. So first, what you wanna do is you wanna try and open the packaging. And it's giving me a hard time. Come on, your slogans have a break. Give me a break. Alright, so now that, hopefully, there we go, much better. Look at the absolute size of this lad. It's absurd. Look at it. Look at all that chocolate. So unfortunately, due to the bangs and batters of being a Kit Kat bar, some of it's already breaking apart. It's really tragic. I know. It's a sad day for Kit Kat world. But what you want to do is just take it all out, like so. Now in a perfect world, these pieces wouldn't be broken, but they are, so adapt, improvise, overcome. Stack the broken pieces on one another. And now, time to take a big bite out of this one. You thought Thanos snapping was the biggest thing to ever snap something in half? No. This bite right here was the greatest thing to ever been put in half in just one simple movement. That's how it's done. A king-size Kit Kat. Demolished just like that. If you like this video, make sure to click that like button. Subscribe for more great content just like this. Comment on any foods, drinks, whatever you want to see me eat or drink next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.